Hey everybody, this is Alan with part 2 of my knife construction with the wood fire forge. As you can see here, the knife is in the forge, but we are not at a working temperature yet, so we'll see how long it takes to get some. Hey, you Mike, where you going with my sticks? The boy over there, taking my firewood with him. Anyway, the knife's starting to take on a slight glow, but not even cherry yet. So she's been in 45 seconds now, 50 seconds now. That's 1 minute. This is the initial heat, so I'm gonna guess it'll take it probably 2.5 minutes before it's at a working temperature. Once again, using nothing but juniper wood. Not big chunks of it either. Starting to see a temperature change in the steel. Can you see it in there? If not, I'll zoom in and show you what I'm seeing if possible. And it looks like we're up to a temperature where it'd be malleable. So I'm going to give it another 20 seconds. And I'll pull it out. Okay. Here we go. And grab my pliers. I really need to get some tongs. Oh yeah, it's red hot. I can see it from here. Yep. And the nice part is it's a centralized heat. I got it exactly where I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna set you down and work on this, and we'll be back. Get it back on the heat. And as you can see, we've got a, maybe you can't see, but Getting a decent shape on this. I'm really excited with how it's coming along. There we go. Back on the subsequent heat shouldn't take nearly as long. And you have the benefit of being able to see the knife on top right now, so be able to watch it take on its heat. You can see how quickly this goes through the sticks though, but fortunately that is our fuel sticks. Easily sourced. You didn't hear that. I didn't say ow. It looks like our steel's once again getting to a workable temperature. Pull it out, give it some more hammerings. There we go. Put both my gloves on this time. Oh yeah. See? Good heat. Need to work this section a little bit more. Turn the knife around. That way we can apply the heat down to the tang. Should move from there. Get our coals back around our working piece. My dog keeps taking off with my sticks, so I gotta break a couple more up. It's kind of the unspoken rule. He gets to chew sticks while I work on the steel. Works for both of us, right? But getting close to that 10-minute mark. We'll have to end this video and come back with part 3 when we do the grinding. I won't make you guys watch me do the rest of the shaping of this knife. You get the general gist. It's just so cool that you're able to do so with just a little bit of firewood, a little bit of hand cranking, and a decent amount of muscle work. Well, I appreciate you all coming along today. I hope you enjoyed this installment of wood fire forging. And yeah, take care, be good to each other, and we'll see you on the next episode.